Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the gold market. It's as well in other markets. Price here stands very quiet. Had this preparation for farm producers for a storm late in the week or just by some other factors. But really few minor moments that we could discuss today. So on a daily chart, we mostly have the same bullish moments that we already discussed in previous week and 2 weeks ago. So we've got pure bullish grabbers. They are still valid. In general, on the performance of this downside swing, we could say that this is a BCD retracement after the initial upward action. So here we actually have got this triple to buy. Based on the fundamental and sentimental analysis that we have prepared this week, we also suggest that the upward action has more chances to happen, and at least to the 1840, 1845 area. So that's a situation that we have on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, for example, on euro currency today, we discussed that market shows some bullish background as it stands very close to the strong resistance and in a tight consolidation. So usually when the market shows the bounce out of the resistance in a way of the normal bearish bounce, it should show some deep drop or significant pullback. But if market shows minor pullback and stands very tight to resistance, it means that it's preparing for a breakout. So there we have the bullish background. So on the gold market, approximately the same story. So on the fall time frame hour chart, we have minor grabber here, but guys, actually I not believe too much in this pattern. It seems that it's mostly some byproduct of the flat standing, and touching of the MACD was occasional just for few cents. And in fact, market already stands above, as you can see, this pattern, and in general we are watching for this butterfly. And yesterday we actually discussed two ways of participation in this trade. So since we still have time till the non-farm pros releases, will be 2 sessions today, tomorrow, and almost the whole European session on Friday as well, the chances exist that maybe market could show some deep retracement to form some different pattern. But in general, if you would like to take the position based on the daily time frame, on the fall time frame chart with this butterfly, you just could try to take position with the stop somewhere below this area. So whatever patterns will be formed here, so major invalidation point will be here, and because the butterfly actually invalidation point, and what's more important, the daily grabbers, it's invalidation point right here. For taking position around this area, theoretically even lows could be used here for stop placing below the, but the tricky moment, as I said, with the absence of the clear pattern that you could put in the foundation of this trade. So you could definitely say, here's we have the pattern, this is invalidation point, so we could take the position of the stop somewhere below the vital point of this pattern. Unfortunately, here we can't say this. On the 30-minute chart, you could see the triangle was forming, market has formed bullish reversal swing, then it shows retracement. We said that this is only the bullish sign that we have, actually the bullish reversal swing and deep retracement. This has happened. Now we have some triangle that also has been broken, and we have the multiple bullish grabbers that have been formed here. This is a 30-minute chart, but if you will take a look at the hourly chart, you also will see that we have this major grabber. These grabbers suggest the taking out of this top. So market should move slightly higher. So that's the only thing that we could say currently. With these recent swings, well, it's difficult to call it as a hand and shoulders because market hasn't reached the neckline, and in general, as considerable price action looks very choppy. We do not see yet some frosting action or something clear, some clear setup that we could use. Well, from that standpoint, theoretically, you could try to use the lows for stop placement below the major support, but still, you should take into consideration that this is a bit not quite completed the trading setup. Here we have just some hints on the bullish behavior, but we do not have the pattern. And this is major flaw of this setup. Theoretically, it has good chance to work, but still it has some minus. In fact, it's not totally ready for trading. So it means that theoretically you could try to either enter based on the things that we already have, or sit on the hands couple of sessions, maybe today, tomorrow, maybe on an ADP report, something will happen, we will see. And hopefully market will provide some more clarity on the current setup. But since the other markets, that's dollar rivals, also show some bullish context, it seems that everything should be okay here. So, but this is very personal, and just make what's closer to your trading plan, to your personality. So let's see what the progress will be maybe on the next session here.